So we so this much of effort, we can say that this much of things are there. In case of Java, this much of effort is required, but in case of Python program, only one line is sufficient for this one. So we have, and further thing is this one, code or source code, the sequence of instructions is a program. What basically a program is a sequence of instructions in a program. What basically a syntax is the set of legal structures. Output the message printed to the user by a program. Console the text box on to which output is printed. Neha, can you tell me what basically do you mean about the program? What basically a program is?
Uh, a program is a set of written instructions
Hmm.
to do something,
Hmm.
to make machine do something.
Hmm.
Mm,
Basically, program is relay. What basically program will do? Program will do some certain task of the things. Okay, that means for which any purpose, if you have developed some program like addition, multiplication. For addition and multiplication, you make some program. Okay, computer will not do anything. Computer is just like a computation for computation point of view, just like your calculator. Okay, calculator will not do anything. Calculator will do only the calculations, your computation only. In the same way, your computer will not do anything. You have to make some program. You have to feed some program as an input, and through this program you can execute the task what you have feed inside the logic of this program. Suppose your program, you made one program in which it is decided that it will perform the this one addition and subtraction. Okay, you have made one program in any language, and your task is for the addition and subtraction. Is that clear? Now it what it will do, it will provide the addition and subtraction for the different variables. Okay, it will depend upon your planning. Okay, how many variables, for how many variables or constant you want to perform the multiple this one addition and subtraction. But another thing is, if my requirement is for multiplication is also, so is it possible कि same program can do the multiplication also? Anurag ji,
It's
can
not
you
possible. No, sir.
Ramesh ji, are you getting my voice? Ramesh Chandra Yadav ji,
यस सर, आई एम गेटिंग योर वॉइस। सर स्लाइड को बड़ा करके दिखाइए, उस स्लाइड शो
स्लाइड
वाले
में
में
दिखा
थोड़ा
दूंगा,
अच्छा
लेकिन
रहे।
मेरा क्वेश्चन आपको समझ में आया सर? व्हाट आई एम
जी
आस्किंग
सर जी।
बेसिकली, I am asking one program I have made, okay, in which
यस
what I want to do basically, I want to execute the addition and subtraction from that
यस
program.
सर
Okay, it
यस
will
सर
work fine. Whatever may be the language, whether Python, Java, whatever it may be, forget about
यस
all.
सर
But
यस सर।
suppose my requirement is I want multiplication also from same platform, same software or same program. Is it possible? Can it be obtained?
Maybe, but for that coding will be different.
That is the exact answer. You need to modify the program. You need to modify the
Yes,
program, and that is the
yes, sir.
old concept basically. That is the old concept of the programming languages. Nowadays, we
Yes,
are
sir.
living in the era of artificial intelligence or the machine learning. In the present case, what we have done, we want to perform some certain task. Okay, we want to perform certain task, and we have fitted the certain task. We have trained our computer like that you perform the addition and this one. But what about the learning? Okay, what about the learning? We have not made our computer learn from the history or learn from the present. So we will see
Yes,
this
sir.
in the machine learning part, artificial intelligence part, okay, how the this multiplication can also be done without predefining the things. So these are the beyond the scope of this particular module. So these things are there. So what basically a programming is, to need to define some certain task, in the form of whatever what you want basically. So you need to define in the form of logic in a one software, one in the name of program. And what basically languages just like English type languages, you need to write what you want basically, nothing else. Okay, so if you are a German, okay, if you are a German and I am a Indian, So there should be some form of compiler or interpreter that make it possible to communicate with each other. But some standard language should be there. Some standard language should be there. So like that, one computer language is necessary to define that will perform, that will make the your life easy, that you want to make or you want to expect from the system. So this is the compiling and interpreting type of things. In case of Java, you need to save the code with a hello.java extension. Okay, program name.java extension. Then you need to compile this one. For source code will be converted into the bytecode, and your class file will be generated that in the name of hello.class. And after that, you need to run the this class file basically, and desired output will come. But in case of Python is still directly interpreted into the machine instruction. So here one important thing is, whenever you store your program, whenever you save the program, any name you can put where, as per your requirement or as per your planning. And further, what extension will be used? .py, .py, .py extension you will use. Okay, like nitin.py, 1.py, 2.py, whatever the name you want to give, you can give. And .py is the extension. .py is the extension. Is that clear?
Sir.
Small py,
Yes.
.py is the extension. And this one, and whenever you this run the program, it will automatically interpret line by line, and you will get the desired output. Have you any doubt so far? Have you got am I making some sense? Have you got the things, or shall I repeat? Any doubt from your side?
Sir.
Anybody is having doubt? अपने doubt clear करते चलें sir, otherwise it will be very difficult. Okay, so now my question is, have you installed the practical setup that I have guided in last class, spider from the anaconda? Anybody is
Yes,
having
sir.
problem?
Yes, sir.
हाँ
Yes,
उत्तम
sir.
जी,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
है ना? हो गया ना? सब लोगों ने कर लिया ना?
Yes, sir.
है ना? अगर छोटी बहुत दिक्कत भी है ना, if you are facing some small problem, so we can discuss with the WhatsApp group, or you take the help of your friend within the your learning group friends. You can take the help of anyone, and you can do this one. Okay, somebody is asking how to install on the Android one. Sir, don't try to install this one. Okay, we can install, but it will take the space, and it may be possible that your phone may be corrupted. Okay, that's why I don't I don't give the privilege to install your the Python setup on your Android based phone. One app is there that is the Pyroid. Okay, if you further want, you can, but condition should be, it should have at least 128 of GB of hard memory, and at least 6 GB of RAM, 6 GB of RAM. Okay, then you can take the risk. Otherwise, because Python is not meant for the Android. Okay, Python is not meant for the Android. It is a huge number of packages are there. It slowly it will become the bulky whenever you install the packages and libraries like sklearn and so many numpy. Also Ramesh ji will tell you about the numpy and so many things. So it will become the bulky, and your phone, it may be possible that your phone at some point your phone may get damaged. So in that case you will blame me case in case sir ने phone खराब करा दिया. So that's why I don't give the privilege to I don't give the privilege to you install the Python on this one. Now it is clear up to this. Any doubt? Shall we proceed further?
No. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके, अब हमने थियोरेटिकली थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ लिया है, अब हम प्रैक्टिकली जंप करते हैं. ठीक है? ऑल ऑफ यू आर रेडी?
Yes, sir.
गुड. Or anybody, if you have the doubt at any moment, just for this moment, you can interrupt me at any moment. Okay, we can start, I can repeat the things, or I am ready to start the things from the very beginning. Don't worry, but outcome should be there. Wait. I need to 1 minute. I need to start my Anaconda. Wait. Wait, it will take the 2-3 minutes. I have just clicked the spider ID. So, what is your experience with Anaconda and spider? What is Anaconda? What is Anaconda?
I think package manager.
नहीं सर कैसी बातें कर रहे हैं? Anybody can give the answer. What is Anaconda?
It is navigator.
Sir, it is an open
Ramesh,
source
okay, don't
distribution.
forget Ramesh ji is well-known expert in the field of
अच्छा
Python.
अच्छा
What
अच्छा
impression he will take is, sir, what Ramesh sir is telling, these students are not able to tell what is the difference between the Anaconda and this Python. So please try to make the some sense. What basically Anaconda and Python is?
Anaconda is a server.
हाँ,
Sir,
Neha,
basically
what is
Anaconda.
Anaconda?
Yes, sir. Sir, Anaconda is the open source distribution of the programming language Python.
हाँ जी.
Sir,
Anaconda
this.
is nothing but a cloud platform. Okay, Anaconda is nothing but a cloud platform over which you have the Python also, and you have the IDEs also in the form of Jupyter, in the form of this Spider also, and another utilities also from the same platform. We can run the Julia also. Okay, that I will show you after the 2 or 3 or 4 months. Okay, is that clear? Or is there any confusion?
So please once again repeat the sentence. It is a cloud.
Anaconda is the cloud platform. Anaconda is the cloud platform over which you find the this IDs, so many IDs like Jupyter Notebook also. In machine learning, especially, I will use the Jupyter Notebook and Spider IDE. You have the another versions also. Okay, you have the other things also, but beyond the scope for the time being discussion. For the timing discussion, you have the other things, all various things also. Inside that you can run the Julia also, Julia add-on also you have in the Anaconda platform. So it is better to you can download the Python from direct Python site also. Okay, but why I have given the instructions get download from the Anaconda? It is a cloud platform, and on regular basis it is uploaded. Okay, on the Anaconda site you will find a updated version. So that's why, and a lot of basic packages already you will find inbuilt packages will be there. Now let us start with this one. Now are you able to see this spider? Hello,
yes sir.
Anurag ji, are you able to see this spider?
Yes.
Screen has been changed na,
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Yes, sir. Print text has been written.
Okay, very fine. So on your PC also, whenever you have installed and if you have opened, you will find this type of screen is coming or not.
Yes, sir. Coming.
सर खोल लो क्या सर हम लोग भी?
हाँ, खोल के देख लो, एक बार चेक कर लो, बाकी फिर कंसंट्रेट मेरे पास ऊपर ही करना. Okay, but try to just at least once at least
सर
this type of screen you are getting or not.
सर एक कलरफुल स्क्रीन आ रहा है सर, ब्लू कलर का.
हेलो सर. सर
ब्लू कलर का कलरफुल स्क्रीन आ रहा है सर.
वेट, ब्लू और व्हाइट में कोई फर्क नहीं है सर, ये स्क्रीन ये आनी
अच्छा
चाहिए,
अच्छा, ठीक है सर.
है ना? ब्लू का व्हाइट में करा दूंगा, ब्लू का व्हाइट में करा दूंगा, लेकिन मेन थिंग इज,
ओके ओके सर.
है ना, ब्लैक का व्हाइट नहीं होगा सर, ब्लू का
ओके
व्हाइट
सर.
हो जाएगा. तो दिस टाइप ऑफ स्क्रीन शुड कम. आर यू गेटिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग,
Yes,
दिस
sir.
मेन्यू
I
बार
am
एंड दिस
also
थिंग्स यू आर
getting
गेटिंग ना सर?
a black. No, sir.
है ना सर? अब आप उसे छोड़ दीजिए और जो मैं बता रहा हूँ उस पे कंसंट्रेट कीजिए। Okay, try to concentrate what I want to tell. And further, I want to tell you, sir, spider is not only the option, several options are there. PyCharm also there. So many other IDs are also there.
हेलो सर, हेलो सर,
हाँ सर,
अरे
Sir, atoms is there, na? Atoms.
डिफरेंट स्क्रीन आ रही, मेरी ये स्क्रीन नहीं आ रही इसलिए सर।
सर आ जाएगी, वो मैं बता दूंगा आपको, वो मैं आपको बता दूंगा, सब आ जाएगी। ठीक है, लेकिन
Sir,
ये इस
atoms
तरीके
एक option है ना उसमें?
है सर।
बिट्टू, हे,
Atoms.
हाँ एटम भी है सर, एटम भी है, लेकिन एटम हम नहीं लेंगे सर। हम अभी यही डिस्कस करेंगे, हम स्पाइडर ही प्लेटफॉर्म लेंगे सर।
Okay.
उसका एक स्पेसिफिक पर्पज है
Okay.
है ना? लेटर ऑन आई विल स्विच टू द पाई चार्म। ठीक है, जब हम ब्लॉकचेन वगैरह या उस पे जाएंगे किसी प्रोफेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म पे, देन लेटर ऑन आई विल स्विच टू द पाई चार्म। ओके, बट फॉर द इनिशियल बिगनिंग स्पाइडर इज माय फेवरेट सर, and it is not only the single platform, various other options are also there. Is that clear? Okay,
Yes.
definitely sir. So some code is written here sir, some code is written here sir. Let us know about more about this, what this type of window. It is a IDE, it is a IDE. What do you mean by IDE? What is IDE?
Integrated development environment.
Very nice, integrated development
Integrated
and
development environment.
हाँ sir, integrated development environment, and there, hello sir, there is no direct relation of Python language or IDE. Okay, IDE is the separate one, it is just like a window. Okay, it is just like a window, it is just like a window, okay, over which you are writing. It is just like a notepad or editor. Okay, just like a editor in which you are typing some your commands or some your language. Okay, and here you will get the output. Basically entire screen is divided into two part. This screen is your editor, this screen is your editor, and this one is your console, this one is your console. Okay, this one is the console one, and this one is the editor. In case of, in the, suppose you want to type any sir, please unmute, please mute your mic. Okay, all of you are requested, kindly mute your mic, and whenever you have some doubt, then only you unmute your mic, and you can interrupt me. And this is the editor. In here you can write anything. Okay, your program you can write, and then you can run the program. Okay, you can run the program with the help of this button, with the help of this button, that is the run file or
हेलो
F5.
सर,
हाँ सर,
सर ये काइट भी इंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा क्या?
नहीं काइट फाइट कुछ नहीं करना सर, मैंने मना कर दिया था
ओके
व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे भी, काइट कुछ नहीं करना है,
ओके सर,
कोई जरूरत नहीं है आपको काइट वाइट की।
ओके सर।
ठीक है सर, आजकल वैसे ही परेशान है, चाइनीज धागा रहता है ना काइट में, तो इसलिए काइट वैसे भी यूज नहीं करते। सो फॉरगेट अबाउट दिस वन। सो सर, आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट और नॉट? दिस इज द एडिटर वन, दिस इज द कंसोल पार्ट। ओके, हियर, यस रमेश जी,
Sir,
यस सर,
sir, this is
सर,
Ramesh Shari from Hyderabad.
हाँ सर, सर प्लीज सर,
Hello?
हाँ सर रमेश जी।
हाँ, अभी अभी तक थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है मेरा डिवाइस में। अभी सुन रहे हैं ना सर?
हाँ सर, बिल्कुल सुन रहे हैं सर, बिल्कुल सर।
हाँ, okay sir. So continue sir. I am also in the group.
ओके सर, सर इट इज आवर प्लेजर, खासकर माय प्लेजर के आई हैव गॉट योर ब्लेसिंग्स, यू आर द वेल नोन एक्सपर्ट इन द फील्ड ऑफ पाइथन।
No, not
So please welcome Mr.
only our
Ramesh.
pleasure sir. Your
No, 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 Ramesh ji. One problem is there. I can connect only the 100 peoples in this platform, and I request you कि from Monday onwards you start the program, Python program, for at least 1 week, so that remaining 100 peoples can be added with you. Okay, Ramesh ji. So this thing is there. Sir, all of you are getting my voice or not?
Yes, sir. Getting
Okay.
your
Yes,
voice.
sir.
Okay, this is the
Sir,
editor
one thing
window.
sir,
Ha,
excuse me,
ha.
sir. Sir, I have one question that why we are moving to Spider means, please
Sir,
tell
there is some
everyone.
specific purposes. Sir, some specific purpose is there. For the starting point of view, Spider is the standard one. Okay, otherwise, so many editors are there, so many enormous number of editors are there. You can choose, and PyCharm is for especially professional point of view. I will demonstrate the PyCharm also. I will try to make some software for the blockchain. Okay, we will take some project and we will try to do this one, but it will take the time. It is not a simple task that in a one day or 1 month we can do this one. But for the time being, you just stand, you just say, you can just understand that we are using the Anaconda cloud platform, over which we have downloaded from which Python, entire Python setup, and yeah, so many IDs are available. Further, it's time for the Jupyter notebook also. Okay, Jupyter notebook also. So in case of machine learning or artificial intelligence, all of you are requested kindly mute your mic. All of you are requested kindly mute your mic.
Actually, sir, I use Jupyter and
Ha, sir. So, sir, forget about this one. Don't waste the time. So, this is the editor. Okay, this is the editor. This is the editor. Here we will write our program, and here we will after the running this one from this button, that is the run file. Okay, this green button or the black button, whatever you are seeing, and or otherwise you can press the F5 also, and desired output as per the logic of your program, desired output you will get here. Is that clear? Is that clear, sir? So
Yes, sir.
okay, further thing is like that. So Jupyter notebook I am not using. Jupyter is for the professional point of view. Okay, some specific point of view, definitely Jupyter, and Jupyter is easy. But I will use this in whenever I will run the machine learning or deep learning algorithms there. I will use the Colab also, but forget about, don't be in the argument, forget about this, just concentrate on the simple things. Okay, just concentrate
thank
on the
you, sir.
simple thing. So here I will write the program. Okay, here I will write the program, here I will get the output. What is this IPython? What is this IPython? Is there any other language it is?
Sir, I means interpreter.
Sir, वो नेहा दो two versions are there for the Python console, IPython or and first one is the Python console, another one is the IPython console. Okay, I am using the IPython console. It is a latest one. I stands for interactive Python. Okay, there are lot of features regarding it. Basically, this window is for the interpreter. Okay, this part is for the interpreter. Okay, this part is the interpreter. Okay, for the interpreter point of view, a lot of features are there inside the IPython beyond the scope of this discussion basically. So I am using the IPython here. And what version I am using? I am using the Python 3.7. Okay, definitely some other numbers are there. So whenever more number of sub packages are included, your sub number will be automatically increased. And what is most important number is this one. Whenever it will jump to the 4, your entire setup, entire coding will be changed. But whenever this number will be, last number will be upgraded, that means some packages will be introduced, some important packages being introduced in your entire language. So that's why this number is this one, it will be incremented. But otherwise, if this number is changed, if you suppose it goes to 3 to 4, that means your entire language setup or entire language coding will be changed. So like that, previous to that, okay, previous to that version was the 2 point something. Okay, Python 2 was there, but Python 2 command will not work here. Python 2 command will not work here. Today is the time for Python 3, and lot of work is going on for the next version of Python. So this type of thing is there. Up to this any doubt? Up to this any doubt? And further, these are the menu options. This is the file. You can open the new file here. Okay, you can open the new file from here. Okay, let me close all the file. This is TensorFlow I bias, it is not for your purpose. This one is there. Okay, this one is there. So you can open the new file from here also, like that. Automatically new file is created. Okay, and you can save. Okay, and this one, this you can save the program. Okay, you can save the program, like I want to save it with prog2.py. Okay, every time whenever you save the program, it will be through the .py extension. Okay, .py, and then save. Okay, now it is changed with this one, and this is for save button. Okay, this is comment, uncomment, add, or if you want to unblock the entire and this one comment portion or some block, so you can use this one. Otherwise manually we will I will show you. Okay, what are the things how we can this one. This is the indentation. The indentation plays a very vital role in case of Python. Okay, I will show you. This is the run. If you want to run one particular cell, then you can use this one. If you want to run the entire code, you can run the entire one. Okay, for the time being, for your purpose, this button will work. This is for debugging. Forget about this one. This is for console. Open an IPython console. I have opened this one. And if you want to restart this, if you want to restart the kernel, then use this one. This is for project. Okay, this is for project. Okay, forget about this one. I for project I will use the PyCharm. This is the preferences. Okay, this is the Vijay Kumar ji, any doubt? So this is the preferences. Okay, if you want to increase the font, okay, these font, so you can go here also. Okay, you can increase the font. I have made this 18. You can observe, okay, these fonts are in have been increased, and this type of things are there. This is the panels. Okay, log panels. Okay, different panes are there. IPython and this one. Okay, history log is also there. If you open the history log, so this one you will find the history also. Yeah, previous to your the class I have run so many things, so these things are there. So we will disable this one. This type of thing is there. Okay, and you can disable this one also, but for my point of view, for certain applications I want to see the file explorer and this one, so that's why I'm not disabling this one. But if you want to disable this one, you can go with the view, and you can log the lanes according to that. If you don't want to see the variable explorer, then you can disable this one. You can disable this file explorer also. So you can disable the project explorer also. So like that you can do the things. Up to this any doubt? Up to this any doubt?
No, sir.
Is that clear, or
Clear, sir.
everything
Clear,
is
sir.
all clear?
Sir, which part is interpreter?
Sir, this one, this is the window for interpreter. This is the window for interpreter.
सर लेफ्ट साइड को क्या बोलते हैं सर?
लेफ्ट साइड आपका एडिटर है.
एडिटर.
हाँ जी सर. एडिटर मीन्स जैसे नोटबुक होता है ना सर.
हाँ हाँ.
ये नोटबुक है आपकी.
ओके.
सर इन राइट टॉप.
हाँ सर.
सर कंसोल ऊपर वाला सर कंसोल.
सर कंसोल ये है ना, कंसोल ये है.
बॉटम सर थोड़ा नेटवर्क में तो डिले आ रहा है सर मेरे, तो थोड़ा. हेलो
सर ये कंसोल इज दिस वन. कंसोल इज दिस वन. This one.
Then interpreter is which one
Sir,
is interpreter?
Sir, console, through the console we are accessing the interpreter.
Okay, sir.
हेलो.
हाँ सर.
सर ये जो कुछ एरर अगर आ जाती तो क्या, कैसे,
सर,
जैसे आपने वो लिखा था उसमें
सर
एरर
अभी
आने लगी तो
अभी एरर नहीं आएगी सर, अभी तो शुरुआत भी
जी
नहीं करी, तो एरर एरर भूल
जी
जाइए सर, एरर क्यों आएगी, अभी तो शुरुआत करी है सर,
जी
है ना, तो एरर
Sir,
की बात नहीं
above
करते सर।
the above the console window interpreter is there, sir. Na?
सर अभी अभी
Interpreter.
सर अभी आएगा, अभी आएगा, अभी आएगा। कैन वी डू
Okay,
वन
network
थिंग,
में.
कैन वी सर कैन वी डू वन थिंग, कैन वी टेक द 2 minutes वाटर ब्रेक,
सर
Yes, sir.
है
No,
ना,
sir.
है ना, प्लीज स्टे कनेक्टेड
Right,
विद मी, जाना मत सर, छोड़ के कहीं पता लगा गायब हो जाओ 2 मिनट में,
नहीं सर,
है
जाने
ना।
नहीं देंगे।
हाँ सर, प्लीज कनेक्टेड विद मी, विद इन 2 minutes आई एम कमिंग सर, ओके सर।